So this is a question 1438, longest continuous subarray with absolute difference less than or equal to limit. So as we can directly see in the example, that is 8247 and the limit is 4. Okay, so we need to get all the subarrays such that 8 minus any of the element or any element becomes to 4. For example, as you can see, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, so it can be 1. Okay, other than that it could be, here it could be 4. Okay. So these are the two, so so output will be 2. As you can see, 4 minus 7, 4 minus 7 is 3, also you can get it. So let's work upon the code. As you can see, we have taken a maxiv and a minif. The property of the maxiv is that you will always, when you will get the top, it is the maximum element, and in case of minif, the top will be a minimum element. So what we are doing is that we're pushing all the elements into the minif and the maxif and storing the index. Not index, you can say that suppose 80, because it's a 0 index, 214273. That is how it is stored. Index basically. So in this part, as you can see, this is a complex part of our code, and it is mainly removing the elements which are not in the subarray. Okay, so as you can see, that is when that maximum top and the minimum top, for example 8 minus 2 is 6, which is greater than limit. Okay, so we make it left plus plus such that suppose we have suppose the example is that, as you can go here, I have taken the example. As you can see, okay, the when right is 0, that is the first element is taken, both the maximum and the minimum will contain 8080. Okay. So after that we add one element, that is 2. Okay, so both the maximum and minimum will contain 8 and 2, and we know that 8 minus 2 is 6, which is greater than limit, that is 4. So what we do is that we update the left by 1. Okay, so what will happen in the next, that elements will be 8, 2 and 4. Okay, so as we increase the left, we will directly move to this part, we will not compute this part. Okay, it will be removed and we will compute this part. Okay, as you can understand. So what we in, so in the next part, if it is true, as it is not true here, so it will not be taken. But if it was true, then it will be neglected and we'll definitely move into this part. As we have already calculated this part, so it will also be neglected for this part only, 713. So in this part, what we'll do is that as here it is not true, so left will be again incremented, as we can see. Okay, that left is equal to left plus 1. Okay, so it and it both will be neglected, which will be deleted, and it 80 will be done with 7 and 3. Okay, this is how the whole algorithm works. We will take one element and we will compare it. If it is yes, then okay. If not, then we increase the left. Left is basically what it is doing, that is removing the extra elements. Okay, and at the end we are in getting the count of the elements, total number of sub arrays.